Like to laugh, laugh at us. We're used to it.
Okay, so I got my backpack full.
Okay, what's in there?
Eggs. And those are very silent eggs. They're not going to get caught using these ones.
Yeah, I cracked it, like, everywhere. I'll try another one.
They're us.
Wow, oh, that one wasn't. Actually, yeah.
That was generic.
Yeah.
There's a baby bird in that one.
Didn't hear it.
We also got some toilet paper.
Awesome.
Listen to the softness.
That sounds terribly crunchy in a soft way.
Yeah, don't buy recycled.
Yeah.
Okay, dog food, I thought we packed in there.
Why didn't you put it in a bag?
Because I thought you were bringing the bag.
Doesn't it make terrible squelching noises? Oh!
You carry it.
Oh.
Okay.
Give me that extra soft toilet paper.
Yeah.
Oh! You packed sandpaper in with toilet paper.
Well, actually, this is the toilet paper.
You dull.
Okay, what did you bring?
Okay. In my bag of Halloween fun, I brought spray paint.
Spray it caught.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Really gonna get caught. Yeah. And you can hear the colors. The red paint.
So you passed the most unstealthy spray paint you ever bought.
I thought it would be fun, because it's actually red, and then they're going to be hearing blue.
I'm gonna stop shopping at Canadian Tire, let me tell you.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
what else?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
I brought this doorbell that you can, it's sort of like, it's handheld, you just press it and it just makes a creepy noise. It's gonna scare everyone, so.
Terrifying.
Yeah. It's a really evil rubber duck sound. I think I've read it.
Yeah.
I think the batteries are dead.
Okay, so that's two little things that you know.
We won't use that one. Good thing I'm back to spare.
Yeah.
It makes a better noise. It's a lot creepier.
That's the cushion one. Awesome.
Yeah, that's what we
Okay, what else did you bring?
Yeah. You know what? I was actually going to say, because all I have left in here is like a book of matches, so. But all the
I'll
matches
take
are
my
gone.
torch in place.
Why not?
Bad.
Well, it's Halloween, man. Some nice surprises. We could use that.
Pretty sure nobody wants to be surprised by their house on fire.
I'd be surprised.
I know you.
But yeah, I was hoping we could go shopping first, because I'm kind of like low on supplies right now. Because
Well, I think we're just gonna go with what we have here.
Yeah?
Because, stores are closing.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we've got toilet paper and everything. Got everything in your bag.
Yep.
Let's go get some houses.
Okay. So what do you want to do? What do you want to do to prank them?
Just let's throw everything at once. See what happens.
Yeah.
Improvise. The key word.
Wow. I'm not really sure what you
One breaking the fourth wall up.
I'm not really
Two breaking the fourth wall up.
I actually brought bricks to rebuild the brick wall in case it happens.
Wait.
This is good. There we go.
Those were useful.
Yep. It's good because now I don't have to carry around the bricks.
Hey, well, that's a dilapidated house with all those spooky spirits going around it.
Awesome.
Sure, they need a break.
Yep. That is authentic.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take some of those eggs you had in your bag.
The stealth eggs.
The stealth eggs. Not so stealthy, I guess. You have to stop shopping at the Walmart surplus store.
I don't know what I was thinking.
I don't know what you were thinking.
Okay.
Let's try it again. Yeah, no, he's really
That one was a rock. That one was just a rock.
You know what? I didn't want to tell you this right away, but I actually brought some, it's going to sound really weird when I say it. It's going to make you think I'm a little crazy. But I brought Mars bar shaped C4.
Wow.
Just as a prank, you eat it and then
I know the prank blown on my deceased cousin last year was hilarious.
Okay, he was deceased when I found him.
Can't believe the cops believed that one. Anyways, I think what we really need to do is get into this house and prank the inside. Because those spirits, they're still wailing.
You're right, blowing things up is bad. Blowing blowing things up, that's taboo.
Musically.
But breaking and entering, that's the Halloween
Yes.
spirit. Let's do it. I'm
Okay.
excited.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, first, let's pretend we're trick-or-treaters. I don't know who we are.
Very funny.
Okay. Trick-or-treat!
Did you hear that dog?
I got a better doorbell than you do.
Yep.
Hello? Can I help you?
Yeah, we kind of want some candy and...
Yeah. Dude, what are you doing? I was gonna stop blowing people up, but now you're hurting them.
How else are we getting a C4 Mars bar into his mouth?
Fair enough. Okay. Eat them. Those ghouls are.
Those dead babies are really loud!
Yeah.
I think this guy deserves it if he has dead babies.
Fair enough.
Spirits haunting the place.
It's kind of weird that they're still making noise. Put that out there. I'm gonna collect the candy that was just conveniently right next door.
It looks like he hasn't cleaned it up in here since like the 80s. There's cobwebs on everything.
They're Halloween decorations.
True enough.
Get the spirit.
Okay, what am I have left?
I feel like I'm piling a train tracks in my bag.
Well, you do stop heavy. Okay,
All right,
some of that toilet paper left.
So what do you want to do? You want to like TV the guy?
Apparently, squeezing dog toilet paper.
Can we just not? Can we put down the poodle and then just go? Come on, just take the toilet paper and let's.
What do you have against Rex?
Let's get to the
This is his first Halloween. He listens to that CD and he loves it.
Look. I know you feel ripped off because you've given all your candy, but we need to finish this prank as retribution for the money you had to spend on that insane CD.
He got it too because he's taking pictures back there. It's like us breaking his hand. I'm so bad though. He said he's still bad. Okay.
He's getting better.
Yeah. Now, what do we do about those dead baby spirits?
Look.
That's creepy right there.
I think we have a sheep somewhere in there.
Yeah. Maybe the sheep did it.
How ironic.
Okay, let's finish up with this final prank before this guy comes to.
Maybe we should take the cameras away because I think he's getting evidence.
I think you guys put like Mars. He put down his camera, it's fine. All bad people do this.
I think he might be possessed, but that's okay because it's Halloween.
Probably dead baby spirits.
You hear about that all the time on the news, dead baby spirits. What?
Oh my god!
Oh my God, it's Casper!
Apparently it's first close.
Wow, it's Casper. I
The
guess.
most famous dead baby spirits.
Yes, indeed. I'm so glad that we had an opportunity to meet him. Maybe we should just take our candy and go. I don't think he's getting a little mad.
Let's forget the whole, Mars C4 in your mind.
Yeah,
I'll just take that back, by the way.
let's not get into gripes about who killed who.
Yeah. And I'm not going to say who left the floater in your toilet 20 minutes ago, but let's just leave it at that. We better do what he says. He isn't flailing his arms.
You know what? I didn't come all this way to just walk. No, I didn't come all this way to just make my Mars bar explode in your mouth and steal all your candy and get nothing. You know? I think.
Oh, I forgot what I said about him.
What? Your cow noise and maybe the chainsaw?
Yeah.
That is a secret. I don't think many people know about that. Cow noise and maybe
This is
chainsaw.
actually solar powered. So
Oh, okay.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
It must be a mad cow that thinks it's a chainsaw.
It's a hybrid.
Oh, I see.
It's a hybrid chainsaw.
I see.
One more time. Okay, now it's moving at max capacity.
You know what? It might have been a faster actually. Can you pull it one more time?
Now it's just gateway
You
again.
hit the stop button.
That Walmart surplus story is awful.
Yeah, I think we should just go home and eat our candy.
Yeah.
Yeah. This was a terrible prank.
Yeah, this was totally wrong.
Yeah, maybe next year we should, just dress up as Paris Hilton and Lindsay Lohan and just go mess stuff up.
Yeah. I'll say you today on the rehab, so.
Exactly.
Alright. Well, let's go.
Yeah.